Hello, this is Joshua Banda and welcome to Biochemistry course integration. So for my part of the lecture, I'll be talking about Biochemistry 1. So the list of topics will be provided on the following slides. So Mom Jem will be the one to cover the topics for Biochem 2. As with your other online lecture materials for CI, okay, I'll be conducting the lectures in English, but of course, from time to time, I'll be using Filipino to emphasize on some important points. Note that all the guidelines provided by Sir Janil on his introductory video for Instru also apply for Biochem CI. So these are the general topics that we'll be covering for Biochem 1. So note that there are still specific topics under each. So for topic number 1, okay, here, we'll be describing cell structures, organizations, and supramolecular assemblies. So basically, this is the introduction to biochemistry 2. So moving on to topic number 2, we'll be talking here about the different levels of protein structures and identify the forces that stabilize each level. So also, we'll be talking about purifications and separation techniques for proteins. And then I'll also cover here your enzymes, diba? Explain principles of enzyme catalyzed reaction, okay? So kinetics, and describe enzyme inhibition via Nicholas-Menten and Lineweaver-Burke plot. So for topic number 3, okay, we'll be describing here the structure, the function or functions, and the general properties and identifications of the carbohydrates present in biological systems and as well as their corresponding roles. So for topic number 4, okay, we'll be talking about here the structure, the functions, and also the general properties of lipids along with their classes and the nature of phospholipids, cholesterol, and then biological membranes. Okay, so for topic number 5, okay, we'll be discussing here about the general properties and structures of your nucleotides, the one with P, nucleosides, the one with S, and then nucleic acids, okay? So we'll also be talking about the central dogma of your molecular biology. Remember, you have your DNA replication, your transcription, and then translation will go there one by one. And then in addition, we'll also talk about the mutations and the DNA repair systems. Okay, so lastly, for so for topic number 6, basically, here we'll be discussing about the energy relationships and transformation coming from oxidative phosphorylation, etc. So that's your bioenergetics. So this is just a short video pala, okay? So here, so for your topic, so rather for your suggested references, okay? So listed here are the suggested references for biochemistry. Okay. So I think the one from Campbell is already uploaded on our FB group for CI. So I can use that already, but I'll just upload the remaining PDF copies of the other two suggested references. Okay. So the one from Garrett and then the one from Nelson, so Leninger's Principles of Biochemistry. Note that you're not limited with just using these references listed here, and that if you have other books, you can just share it with your classmate and then use that. Okay, so by the way, I will be providing you pala a copy of the PowerPoints that we'll be using for our discussions. So however, note that, okay, so be reminded that only the important points of the topics are included on the PowerPoint. So you also have to read other materials pa, especially for the things na pwede nating makaligtaan. Okay, so for the meantime, ito muna. So, but the next video that I will be uploading here is going to be our first lecture for Biochem CI. Okay, so this is just in preparation of the topics that we're gonna be conducting. Okay, so good luck and kaya niyo yan.